Hey everyone, today in this video I will show you how can you configure SFT protocol mini app source code. So I'm give you this kind of a zip file to you when you buy this source code. Yeah, you need to buy that is a paid source code. Okay, when you buy that source code, I will give you that zip, and you will, if you unzip that, then you find out this kind of something, a file, SFT mini app. And in SFT mini app have two folder, one is server and another one is client. So let me open that on my VS Code. Yeah, I am able to open that on my VS Code, and here you can see one is SFT client and another one is SFT server. So first of all, you need to install the package that I have installed. So let me type here cd sft and then paste tab to get the suggestion cd sft protocol client. Okay, I am already in the folder. So now I need to type npm install. Okay, npm install. Perfect. That is in for client all packages are installed successfully. And if I open a new tab, and there also I need to type cd sft protocol server, then also I am here type npm install. Okay, here you can see both folder required packages are successfully installed. So if I open that client on the local host, so what I need to do, first of all, you need to set up your server. So for server configuration, you need to go on env file that have on the root folder. So here you can find something like port. Which port we wanted to run your local host? So I wanted to run that on my that on 3000 port, and here you can see the URI. I am using that URI, and here you can choose the mode that is not required, because I am always build that on production mode, and also production and dev both are same for this particular source code. And there have something like a secret. You can generate that secret from crypto, or also you can type here like blah blah blah. Okay, there have something like URI, and the URI in the int, here you can see something like backslash, and after the backslash, that is the database name. So here you can see the database name was SFT, so I changed that to ABC Siam. Okay, the server database name was ABC, just ABC, nothing more. And you need to also set up the RTK, and in the RTK have something like API, and API have the base query. You need to change that into your local host, and when you deploy that, you can switch to your hosting URL. Okay, so currently I have that, so I will move. So currently I have the local host, so here I am using base URL as the localhost 300 port server. So let's move on. Okay, now we are already complete the server side configuration. Now after you set up that localhost URL in the base query, then your front end also or client also ready. So let me open that folder again, cdsft client and npm run dev. Okay, then I need to also open the server, cdsft server, then npm run dev. Perfect. So let me wait some time for connection. Yeah, server running at port 3000. Now is perfectly running. So if I now go this URL localhost 5173, here you need to add something like telegram tg web app data. How you can get that? So if I want to show you how you can get that, so first of all, okay, let me try to show you that. Okay, that is my Telegram desktop. I don't know is it possible to get that on Telegram desktop, but I think yeah, I can able to get that. Okay, there don't have any board, so let me open here. Okay, live there's catbot. Let me try to join here, and first of all I need to click here, and then you need to turn off your internet, and when you turn off you see a page like when you have no internet on your device, then you see a scan on Chrome. So you also see here something like that, and in the URL you can find out this kind of something like the name of the host, and after the host you can find the hash TG web app data, then copy everything, and after copy that then you need to paste it here. Okay, so I am not provide you this TG app data because that is for my one Telegram account account data. So I just pasted there, and I'm opening the mobile preview. Okay, let me move on console. Yeah, element. Then if I just reload that page, and here you can see nothing. Okay, now if I again reload that, and nothing. So let me try to find out is account. Okay, it's not creating any account, so I need to find out the issue. Is there have any bug or something? Yeah, I can see here there have a bug like cast to upload. Okay, where is the bug coming? Okay, let me turn off the server and try to run again there, then just right there TG app data, reload that, pending, and of course up again is failed. So let me find out why the error is coming. Okay, here I have solved this issue. If I now reload this page, now you can see something like a transaction number are only allowed on a replica to set member or mongoose. So that is my MongoDB Compass localhost issue. So I just go here and go my cluster, and here I copy the connection string. So I just need to come here, and in the env I just need to replace that. Okay, I just turn off the server and run that again. Okay, perfect, the server is running. So if I now reload this page, and here you can see a account created, the username is Siam Shekh, and that is the this URI username. So if I go here, they have the tags and they have the game, and their 3D model is loading. If I click here, that is loading, and I can claim that, and there have something like refer. If I click here, I can copy the link, and they have something like withdraw. I can withdraw that if I try to withdraw that is not in solve, so it tells me address address is not valid. So now how can I log in on the admin panel? So for login in admin panel, I just need to go on admin. So yeah, I am just type here the admin. So now of course if I don't need to turn on the developer tool, so now it's tells me you seem like you are not an authentic person, please go to the hell and come back after proving you are a valid person. Okay, so I just need to click here authenticate, and here I need to enter a secret key. Now what is my secret key? For first time you need to enter anything. So if you enter 1 2 3 4, so your secret key is 1 2 3 4. If you enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so your secret key is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8, your secret key. So your first time entered enter code is your secret key. So I just enter here 1234 and I enter. So wait a bit. So should I change my URI? Oh, a problem. I'm not changing anything there here. So I just need to type here ABC or ABCD or A1. Perfect. A1 is perfect. I just turn off the server and type here npm run dev. Okay, just now I just need to reload that page, and I have reloaded that page, and here I am typing 1234, and of course up I am also refresh that, and here you can see A1 is my database, and here have everything, and document is 00000, everything is 0. So I just enter here 1234 and it's moved me on the admin panel. So here you can see no user. So for adding a user, I just go on the localhost, and okay, here you can see my name and one user created. So I just refresh that page, and here you can see a user that rank is 1 and his balance is 0. And also you can see the tags. If I want to add a new tags, I just need to enter the tags title. So I am give the tags title is YouTube, and the link, I'm giving the link like YouTube, and also category. So I am giving that category as a visit. So I am at tags, and here you can see that tags is on drift. So I just need to make it live, and there have something like requiring. So if you want to make it daily, weekly, monthly, so you can add there. Currently none means once time, and here I need to add the balance. So balance should be 15. Okay, perfect. So if I now come here, and here you can see a tax. The tax, if I start that, then it's moved me on YouTube, and here you can see that is loading because I'm not seeing it. I'm not visiting that site properly. If I scroll, and perfect. If I now come back, and here you can see claim. So now I click on the claim, and it's loading. Perfect, it's claiming done. So if I now go user management, so here you can see balance was 15. So also if I go on distribution management and I withdraw my balance, here withdraw, yeah, here we can see the withdraw is requested. Now if I come here and reload that distribution page, here you can see something like cancel unpaid. If I click cancel, and you can go on cancel, and here you can recheck that, and nothing on pending, nothing on paid. I can recheck that, and if I go here, and that is here. Now that request under pending. So if you want to make that request into a Excel or sheet, so you can click here to make that Excel sheet. So if I open that, here you can see the address here, that is the address. So you can also make that as you can also convert that request, or that list of the request, you can also convert that into a Excel sheet. So I just come pending and paid there manually. So here you can see paid, status paid. If I go on SFTP protocol, that is the user side. So I just refresh that page, and you can see here paid. So that is our SFTP protocol source code review. If you wanted to buy that source code price was very cheap, only $100. And if you want some modification and you want to build that by me, so I can help you. I can also help you, and I will build that for you in $200. Also, if you want to to see a demo, so there have a demo that's name was SFT protocol. I am give you this board link or app link in this video description. If you click here, you cannot open there on desktop, so I cannot show you the preview, but I am already give you there on the description. Please check that, and if you really want to buy that code or source code, just contact me on my Telegram. Thank you.